Hello, my name is Bryson. I am the head teacher at the Minimikashiwa branch at HANDZ English School. We are doing lots of fun things for summer school this year, like geography class, or arts class, or social studies. I am in charge of the crafts class. We are going to learn how to make something fun, practical, and artistic. I am going to show you how to make a bookmark by turning these into one of these. All you need to bring is something to color with. You could bring crayons, or colored pencils, or markers. I hope you could come. I'm sure we'll have a wonderful time together. I look forward to seeing you.